Good afternoon everyone, welcome back to our channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy. And for today, we got this 2009 Mazda, 2011, this is 2011 Mazda CX7. And complain with this car, it's a coolant leak. So it's, as you can see in here, full of, residue of coolant. So I'm just gonna confirm where's the coolant coming from. So I already opened the radiator cup, this one. Then I'm gonna add water temporarily, then I will pressure test it. Then I use my radiator and pressure tester, this one. So I think this one will fit. Let's see. Alright, perfect. Yeah, this one is good. Let's take this one. Set it. I'm just gonna pressure test it. Check where's the. Oh. Yeah. Seems like it's coming from here. I think this assembly, I guess. It's over there. Yeah, I guess this assembly. What's this? Coolant assembly? Let me Google it. It's coming from that assembly right there. I hope you could see it. Let me see it. So it's that assembly. We'll Google that. What kind of assembly is that? Alright, so let's start removing this coolant. It says, by the way, it says coolant water outlet assembly. So that's how it's called, coolant water outlet assembly. Oh my god. Oh, holy smoke. Okay, so basically we're just gonna remove all the hoses in here. This one out of the way. This until we could reach that thing. Now let's remove this. Let's do it one at a time. That thing right there. Okay, how about this? Alright. Nice. How about this? Oh, this is gasoline. So never mind. Let's just do like in this. Okay. This one. Oh wait. This one there. Okay. Oh, come off. Is there any basically what we did is we unhook all this one. There's one more over here, then this one, big one, this. So basically we're just gonna remove all those parts that blocking this, you know, because it's located over here. See this underneath right there. Have to remove that. So there's like a star bolt in here, one in here, this, then one there. I guess we could remove this one. So we're going to remove this one, this assembly, I mean this thing. I don't know how you're gonna do it, but either way, gotta remove this. Alright, so we had a progress. Just move this out of the way, and there you go. Now let's remove this two star bolt, and then we're almost there. Alright, there's a big progress. So I guess it only holds two bolts right here, this one, then one in here. See it right there, and then somewhere there. But we need to disconnect that big hose there and one big hose over here. Okay. Alright, so let's remove the coolant hose. This one first. Same vice grip. Oopsie. Come on. Guys, so it seems like there are like 4 bolts that connect this assembly. So it's number 8, so one in here, so there's a hole in there. So this one, then one over here right there, and then underneath, it's really tough to show it to you what's underneath. You can actually move this hose like this one. See this? You can move that thing, so we can insert the, you know, the tools in there. Okay, let's do it. Alright, so 4 bolts were removed. Actually I dropped the one of the bolts, so be careful with that. So I think there's few hoses that still connected. It's really tough to, you know, to film it. One bolt still in here. I'm moving it. Oh boy. Let me get the magnet. Go. Okay. It's still connected there. Some hose. Oh boy. Alright. So that's the problem. It's already broken. It's melted. Look at that. Wow. Wow, it's melted. So there's also one connector here. I think this is temperature sensor. I just disconnected it. But this is the problem. It's melted. Shoo! Right? Look at this. Ta-da! It's melted. Holy smoke. It's plastic. Alright, let's go buy some parts. Alright, so this is the brand new one. It's the old one. Actually, this already aftermarket. It's Dorman right there. Dorman brand. It's the same. Okay, let's just put it on. Alright guys, that's the brand new one. So sorry I couldn't really show it to you because I got to, like, you know, I don't have enough space to do it, but there's like one hose in here underneath also. But either way, you know, it looks like. I'm just gonna probably show it to you when everything is, you know, installed. Basically it's just, you know, just have some patience to put it back. It's not that hard though, it's just that it's a lot. Alright, so I already tightened those 4 bolts. Now just a couple more hoses and that's it. Almost done. Alright guys, so everything is back, and let's bleed also the coolant and let's see if there's still a leak. Okay, let's start the car. Well, so far so good. No leak. Nice.